pork. There we go, look at that. Hey? Real good pork.
When I die, let the wolves. When I die, you can push me out to sea. When I die, set me free.
This is Braun I made. Turned out really good. I just give this one a bit of a slice and see what it's like in the middle. I'll leave that one in the mould. And that's leftover reduced stock, which is here like a jelly. I'll cut that into squares and freeze in bags for her future cooking in recipes. Yeah, really pleased with this. Here we go. I'll just cut a piece off and just see how it turned out. Wow, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Put the carrot through it. All that beautiful pork from the head. And probably a good handful and a half of parsley. Yeah, I'm real pleased with that.